Got some Spectracide weed stop and crabgrass preventer. I just actually applied this on my lawn. I was using Scott's Bonus S, and I gave this stuff a try, and I'm pretty much dead set on this stuff now. The Bonus S is weed and feed, and this is just weed basically. I like to use this one particularly because it knocks up so many different types, including dollarweed and dandelion. You want to put it in a spreader, of course, and this bag treats 3,000 square feet, which is almost, you know, my exact front yard, and my backyard is almost 3,000 square feet exactly. So it really works out for me in size. But as opposed to Scott's, you don't want to water this in. You want to apply this when the lawn's already wet, being from dew or rain. You don't want to apply it dry. It says you'll get poor results. I haven't done that. I've either turned the sprinklers on a little bit beforehand or applied it after a rain. Today I turned on the sprinklers for just a bit. It's been really wet lately, and since I have a little bit of dryness coming in here soon, I wanted to go ahead and make that application so it didn't get washed away too much. Just for the longevity, I want it to work for a good while. But I mean, this stuff knocks out, it has a huge list of weeds that it knocks out compared to a lot of the other things. I'm using granules particularly because the amount of rain we have received lately. I was applying atrazine for a while, mainly for the dollar weeds, but with all the rain, the coating just comes off the grass too fast. So I'm giving the granules a try, and I'm having good results with them. But overall, the Spectracide Weed Stop for lawns works great. It's a lot cheaper than the Scott's Bonus S, and you guys should give it a try.